Was geht's? Ironman. Tatsächlich ist Ironman auch mein Lieblings-Marvel-Held. Also macht mir das wahrscheinlich jetzt echt Spaß. Neues Spiel. Fortfahren. Wir nehmen jetzt mal hier super heroisch normal. So lässt mich das jetzt nicht auswählen. Super heroisch. Sieht aus, als ausgewählt. Los geht's. Mein schlimmster Fang. Mein Ohren. Nein, oh, come on. Missgelegt. Fortlaufen. Warum der Typ so verdammt langsam ist. Fortfahren. Das geht.
Hi. My name is Tony.
Oh, das ist
and, well, you know who I am. And what I am. All of us here are capable of self-destruction if we're not careful. But in my case, mass destruction is also a distinct possibility. You see, I once created an artificial intelligence in my own image. He looked like me, talked like me, had the same, impulses I did. He was a cool dude. Until last month when he tried to blow up the world.
Sehr leid, dass das hier alles auf Englisch ist. Ich kann das leider nicht umstellen. Ich übersetze einfach die wichtigen Sachen auf Deutsch und sonst tut es mir einfach sehr leid. Bumm, Start geht. Los geht's. Oh, das sieht geil aus. I am Ironman. Cool, ja, hoffentlich, was ich gerade mache. Oh mein Gott.
Okay, Mark 3 test point. Starting with maneuvering thrusters. Hands by my sides. Palms back. Good. Feels good. All right. Time to open her up.
Coole Umsicht nach hinten laufen. Das ist dann ganz wichtig. Oh, warte. Das ist cool. Ich flieg so wie Gucker. Wo wir irgendwas in der Steuerung rumspinnen. Das ist jetzt die Meta-Klasse.
Opening targeting suite.
Also
Pulsers ready. Hands up, palms forward.
Okay. Oh,
Bullseye.
das ist ein Schwarz. Oh, das ist cool.
You may have a problem, Tony.
Pepper, I have a lot of problems.
I'm serious. You in this armor. Do I need to stage an intervention?
Only if I start wearing it to bed.
Where are you anyway?
Look out the window.
Oh, hi, handsome. Looks like you made some upgrades.
Ich bin aber der beste Ironman. Ich schieße einfach alles, was ich im Vorbei.
One more. That's how it's done.
Ach, was ist jetzt gleich nicht direkt.
Alright, time to fly.
Tatsächlich, guck mal kurz was nachgucken. Mission, Audiospeicher, Gameplay. Ist ja was in der Sprache. Die anderen Ebene. Okay, sieht nicht aus, als wäre hier was mit Sprache. Tut mir leid.
Enjoying the view?
We should have lunch out here.
Ein Papier.
I'm not climbing that.
I'll carry you.
It'll be a dark day when I let you carry me wearing that thing.
Was ist mit meinen Armen? Die Animation hat mich verpackt. Ja, die Animation hat mich verpackt. Hey.
Inspecting the foundations?
I should add a secret entrance down here.
You know, it's not a secret if you tell me about it.
Oh, das ist wirklich Betrieb. Nur da oben sind die Tür, das Tempo und das ist geil.
Anyone for tennis?
No, you always win.
Oh, come on. We can play doubles.
What's next?
Time trial.
Mind if I watch?
You know I work better with an audience.
Okay, wo geht's an? Da. Flugplatz, okay. Oh, ich liebe diese. Hoffentlich kommt bald auch noch, kommt irgendwann auch noch mal so ein Teil, wo man so einen Laser macht. Das wäre geil. Okay? Oh, Doppeltap.
That was wow!
Die Bürger sind ausgefallen.
Oh, man!
Das ist geil.
So, I think if I swap the DC motor for a solar power converter and apply quarter-inch magnetic articulation seals to the boot thrusters, I can reduce my drag coefficient by 10, maybe 10.5%.
Okay, should I be writing this down?
No need. I've got a mind like a steel trap.
Yeah? When's my birthday?
Yeah, I'm sorry, Pepper, you're cutting out.
Uh-huh. Sounds like you need to reduce your VS output.
Warm up the jets. I want to punch something. Fist rockets engaged. Time to throw a punch.
Das ist
Knockout! Just like Happy Hogan taught me.
on. Oh, genau.
Great aim.
Mann, das hätte ich besser machen können, das Aim in der Stelle.
Great shot.
Wie kann man den Test danach nochmal wiederholen, dass man es nochmal krasser machen kann?
Time to punch out.
Well done, Tony. Did you get what you needed? Or are you gonna go again?
I can improve my time.
2, 1, go! Bisher läuft der zweite Versuch auch ganz gut. Aber ob es der beste wird, finden wir noch heraus.
nice.
Oh, diesmal war es mit Lina, weil ich jetzt gut. Ich habe schon gedacht, ich hätte Probleme mit
Beautiful.
Aim. Ich war einfach mehr als eine Minute.
Well done, Tony. Did you get what you needed? Or are you gonna go again?
Maybe later, after I noodle on it some more.
Das reicht, glaube ich, jetzt.
When you're ready, come find me at the house. We have something to celebrate.
Oh, ich soll zum Haus. Was gibt's wohl zu feiern? Einfach hat gegen jede einzelne Handwand in diesem Haus geflogen, aber okay. Da.
The ego has landed.
Das ist so cool, mit ihm anzugucken. Alles sieht. Wie bin ich in einem Jet gelandet?
Strange.
Naja. Oh, warte mal. Kann ich das öffnen? Ich kann meinen Anzug öffnen. Das ist so cool. Lass mich den anziehen. Oh, dieses Teil, das ist so cool. Kann ich sie
Morning,
anziehen?
sir.
Lass mich sie
May I
anziehen.
get you something?
Ah, nicht. Und der Bett. Nerv nicht vor, Alter. Ich bin beschäftigt. Very interessant. Sehr interessant. Das war oben ein Tablet. Kann ich nicht drücken. Oh, ist einfach gespawnt.
Friday, you seen Pepper?
I believe she's putting out a fire.
Literal or figurative?
She's been on the phone with the press all morning. Something about your surprise announcement caused quite a stir.
Oh, come on.
Or don't you watch the news?
Tony Stark, no stranger to stunning revelations, shocked the business world today when he named Pepper Potts the new CEO of Stark Industries. During a press conference, Mr. Stark admitted he had not informed Ms. Potts of his decision prior to the announcement.
Perhaps you jumped the gun, sir.
It's the opportunity of a lifetime. She's gonna thank me.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm your assistant, Tony. You need to warn me before you do stuff like this.
You're not my assistant. You're the CEO of Stark Industries. Or don't you watch the news?
Die ist doch eigentlich ein
I
Hologramm.
should-
Diese geht einfach alles durch. durch. Ich bin ein Hologramm.
Pepper, I'm not always
Der
right.
Tisch ist
I mean,
gut.
I'm usually right.
Tony!
But here's the
Hologramm.
thing. I wasn't put on Earth to sit behind a desk. And you weren't put here to handle my unpaid parking tickets.
I was gonna ask if there are any more of them.
There are glove boxes full of them. That's not the point. The company turned a corner years ago. We're a force for good in this world. And I want you to get that message out there.
Don't people always try to shoot the messenger?
Oh, mein Kaffee. Ich will doch
Friday,
Kaffee.
who taught you how to fly?
You did, sir. Unfortunately, I'm not in control right now. Someone has taken us over.
Oh, wei.
Remotely.
Was ist das?
Out there! It's a
Das war
Stark drone!
Fein.
Combat drone?
We don't make combat drones anymore.
The drone is encasing itself in some sort of hard-like shield.
Hello, Stark.
Do I know you?
I'm a ghost from your past.
Hallo, Mr. Ghost from my past. Oh,
Tony,
weia.
look!
Nein, das ist nicht gut. Das ist nicht gut. Okay.
Time to die.
Info. Ich bin zwar nicht der Wow. Hilfe. Tony! Nein,
Friday, your airline just lost my luggage.
Then file a complaint when we land.
Override my safety belt. Pepper,
I know! Just come back in one piece!
Ja, ich hab auch okay, wie viel jetzt? Ich dachte, ich hätte viel Budget. Egal. Okay, wie kriege ich jetzt meinen Anzug wieder? Bin ich gerade ernsthaft im Flugzeug gesprungen? Okay, ich mag Ironman, aber man muss sagen, nicht der irgendwie wirklich schlau.
drones are headed toward Pepper.
I see them, sir.
Friday, I'm feeling a bit naked here.
Hang on, sir. Right gauntlet inbound.
Oh, das war mir dann.
Debris. Shoot it. Left gauntlet inbound. More debris, sir. Chest piece coming in on your left.
Das gefällt mir.
Drones inbound.
Friday, where's my head at?
In the clouds.
Oh,
as
ich hab
usual,
meine
sir.
Drohne einfach gesniped.
Running out of time here.
Heads up.
Okay. Lebe ich noch oder bin ich Gehirnerschütterung?
All systems online.
Just in time. I got a plane to catch.
Der wird vereint.
Cannot run your past, Stark.
We'll see about that. Pepper, can you hear me?
Little windy, but yeah, I hear you. Sir, we have a massive breach in the hull.
Old news, Friday. Tell me about something I didn't just jump out of.
Scanning.
Mein schön Privatjet kaputt gemacht hat. Könnten ja noch ein paar neue holen, aber trotzdem.
There's an engine fire that needs your attention. A secondary explosion on the right engine, sir.
Got it.
Oh.
Fire suppression system online.
Ich bin Feuerwehrman.
That's one less burning issue to deal with.
Good job, sir. So the autopilot is no longer responding, and the jet is projected to crash into a populated area. I'll deal with the autopilot.
Pepper? No, stay put. It's too dangerous.
Says the guy who jumped out of the plane.
Any more from our mystery guest?
They're giving us the silent treatment, but their hounds are clawing at the door.
Show him in. Bullseye! Hell yeah! Whoa! Pepper! Friday, what's going on in there?
Scanning for misspots.
Oh, Pepper, liest du wieder? Nein.
You should upgrade your firewall.
Our new friend's messing with my HUD.
They've also locked me out of the jet's diagnostics. I have no read on misspots.
Pepper, do you copy?
Enemies inbound.
Got it.
Okay, wo sind die Gegner?
Pepper! Pepper, come in! Pepper, you okay in there?
Tony, I have control of the jet.
Keep the good news coming.
Sir, more hostiles en route.
Friday, what did I just say? Persistent, aren't you? Pepper, how's the jet?
No longer on a collision course with Los Angeles.
City Council will be pleased to know that.
Oh, 2 Arme.
Guys, I can't steer. Sir, the aileron on the left side has been damaged. Is that fixable?
We'll have to wing it. Jet bent. That looks Better.
I've located an airstrip for emergency landing.
Thanks, Friday. Pepper, you think you can land this bird?
Only one way to find out. Lowering the landing gear.
Do not walk outside this area line.
The landing gear doors are malfunctioning.
Of course they are. Make a wish. It's all yours, Pepper.
Gears down. 3 green. Well done, both of you.
If no one has any further objections, I say we call it a day.
Your old weapons will be the death of you.
Sir, I'm detecting a new energy signature.
More enemies? Good. My trigger finger's getting itchy.
All these new enemies sidestep their attacks.
Yeah!
All threats neutralized. But I'm sensing our hacker friend has returned.
Friday? Friday? All systems are down.
So well.
The big one's back. My controls are locked.
Easy, nice. Come on.
Pepper!
It's vanished from radar.
I can see that. Get me back online.
Systems restored.
Okay.
Tony, nothing's responding here. Sir, I believe the jet is officially a lost cause.
Pepper, find an exit!
The fire front of the cabin! I'm trapped! Miss Potts, there's a panel beneath your feet, a compartment. It leads to the nose landing gear.
Immerhin, dass du nicht mit einer Hand mit der anderen.
I'll meet you under the jet!
Come on.
Pepper! Take my hand!
Tony!
Welcome to your connecting flight.
Echt knapp.
Next time, I want my own suit.
Ich vergesse gefallen. Okay, wie viele Sterne? 1, 2, 3. 5 Sterne. Ich bin einfach krass. Aber